Welcome to my YouTube channel, Car Culture. The 2025 Force Gurkha is an off-road SUV that blends rugged capability with modern features. Known for its robust build, it is designed to tackle extreme terrains while offering a comfortable ride. The vehicle maintains its iconic boxy design with subtle refinements that enhance its aerodynamics and appeal. Equipped with a powerful diesel engine, the Gurkha delivers reliable performance for both urban and off-road adventures. The four-wheel drive system ensures excellent traction on challenging surfaces, making it a preferred choice for adventure enthusiasts. The 2025 model comes with improved suspension, providing better stability and comfort on rough roads. The high ground clearance allows it to navigate rocky paths, deep water crossings, and muddy trails with ease. The snorkel air intake remains a standout feature, enabling the vehicle to wade through deep waters without engine trouble. The Gurkha's rugged ladder frame chassis offers durability, making it ideal for long-term use in demanding conditions. The vehicle also boasts a reinforced body structure, enhancing safety during off-road expeditions. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Force Gurkha features a functional yet comfortable interior. The seats are designed to offer support during long journeys, and the spacious layout ensures ample legroom for passengers. The dashboard integrates a modern infotainment system with smartphone connectivity, allowing drivers to navigate and stay connected on the go. The climate control system ensures a pleasant driving experience regardless of the external conditions. The inclusion of multiple storage compartments adds practicality to the vehicle, making it suitable for carrying gear and essentials. The safety features of the 2025 Gurkha include dual airbags, ABS with EBD, and a sturdy roll cage for added protection. The vehicle also comes with rear parking sensors, hill hold assist, and an electronic stability program to enhance control on steep inclines and slippery surfaces. The combination of advanced technology and traditional off-road capabilities makes the Force Gurkha a reliable and versatile SUV. Whether exploring remote trails or navigating city streets, the 2025 Gurkha offers a blend of strength, comfort, and modernity, making it an excellent choice for adventure seekers and off-road enthusiasts alike. Thanks for watching my video, and safe drive.